Good morning, everybody. I am Father Larry Agus Udarianto. I am an Indonesian now, but I'm now working or living in Cebu, in the Philippines, in the center of the Philippines. And I am now living in Lusaran, a part of the mountainous barangay or mountainous area in Cebu, in the Philippines. So today, nice to meet you, to give the opportunity for me to explain about Talk Fusion. I am not selling the Talk Fusion, but I give my businesses to use the opportunity for all of us and also for our community. First of all, let us aware in our life today. We are now in the situation that we are living in the digital. As I make this one, the picture, all of us living in the digital. Every time you use the cell phone, no? And then with the cell phone, you may have the video because with this you can communicate each other through the video. And in fact, brothers and sisters, that our life today is full of the beauty, and we learn from the other person who are already living where with their life. They are living from the traditional one and then now moving to the modern one using the digital. So they will increase their business, like what I call here Amazon with Jeff Bezos, and also Elon Musk with SpaceX, no, and also Bernard Arnold and family with LVMH, no. It is all of this, Bill Gates and Mark Zuckerberg, and also and so on. Here in the Philippines, we have also the many businessmen move from the traditional one going to the digital using the communication of the digital. They will increase their business. And the second one, in fact, that our people now living with the what we call popular digitalization. Here in the Philippines, we have one among this 170 million people, 70 million already using the digital, no? Digital population. And about the Asia, 2 billion. And also worldwide is already up 4 billion people using the digital. So everything FBC online becomes the lifestyle. Like here in Lusara, in the mountainous place, we are now selling everything in online. You just click the link that you share, and that the people will bring you the thing that we are going to have. So, and the other side, what I'm saying, we need what they call digital, we need Talk Fusion as a part of our business, because with the Talk Fusion, you can grow your business. The other one is what is the Talk Fusion is all about? What is that? There are 6 products that we are going to introduce you one by one. No, first is video email. I used to have this one video. I just make it a video short, and I send it the link to the people through their email address, and then just only click and they can enjoy the message that I'm using to have, no. And also what we have, our sign form. It is a kind of book how do you call it, the information that the people already watch your video or your product, automatically they will sign form. You can follow up the people who have watched your product. And the third is a live meeting, what we are having now. As I mentioned, I make a live meeting like this one through the video email, so can everybody can reach out. More than 500 participants can watch it. Like what we are having here, sometime very famous Zoom, no? But Talk Fusion is quite different with Zoom, because Talk Fusion we are using what we call RRTC with the high technology. And then we can also use the Talk Fusion with video newsletter. The newsletter that we are using paper, no need using to have a paper, no. because paper is very expensive. But we are using making the media video newsletter, and everybody just only click the link that we send through the TalkFusion link, and then you can enjoy all the newsletter that you may have. And also video chat. We can communicate each other, chatting through your phone, to your cell phone, to your internet with the video chat from TalkFusion. And most of all, you can save all the data of your computer or your data in what we call media library, what we call in the cloud service. You know, everything, it is a very practical because we can save everything and nobody will open this, only you, because you have a password and you have all your identity because you joined the TalkFusion. The next will be what I call everything with digital market. No, we can do everything like what you are doing here. We are doing under the tree. No, under the tree, wherever we can go. We can work. Do it from home, do it from office, from the tree now, under the tree, under the mountain, and do it with the TalkFusion. And different era that we have to live. The first, we live in the past life, means you have to go to the market to bring your money to buy. But no, you cannot do it because of social distances, because of the COVID. You need to have what we call using the digital transformation through the what we call website and application. You just apply from your internet connection, from your cell phone, something like that, and you can buy something through the website. And for the future, because the future using video, it is for the future using for the video platform, video base, no? Because everything will be very clear through the video. We just not only listening, but video concretely you can watch what we call for the future. And what I'm trying to say is, if we can, if you can continue with our what I'm talking, it is Poctuson is not product based, but it is the what we call the platform based. No, what I mean with the platform based. Let me use this one the example like Elon Musk. No, first of all, they using for the going for the transportation using the what we call the electric car. But now he can move from electric car going to the space, to what we call in Bisaya to langit, no, with the technology, no. And another one like Nadiem Makarim sa Indonesia. Sa una, they are just only using transportation, what we call here habal-habal. But now the habal-habal not only for transportation. Si Nadiem Makarim move from transportation going to payment, or if you need something to have food, you just only uh, line with online with the Gojek, no? Gojek for food. Gojek here in the Philippines, what we call how do you call it? Grab, no? Grab food, Grab massage, or whatever, Grab taxi, something like that. And Amazon, the same. No? Jeff Bezos. Sa una, sa Amazon just only for the library. But now, you can make it Amazon as a market because through the digital, you can buy something from Amazon. How about TalkFusion? The same. TalkFusion, because it's not product based but transformation of the what we call the platform based. Uh, you can use 6 product in TalkFusion. What I mean is about this one. If you sometime if we talking about the product, you, for example, you use Zoom, you will be given one password and you can Zoom. You can have a Zoom with the communication webinar, something like that. Sometimes you can use also Talk Easy, and sometimes you can use also Skype to communicate each other from the other countries. But and everything, there are 6 product in the world, but TalkFusion do it 6 product only one. in TalkFusion. One password and one identity, and you can connect, make like use Zoom, you can make like Skype, and you can make like WebEx, you can save your data like Google Drive, everything in TalkFusion. And that's a very practical because only six in one, no? Six product in one password, you can use six product. Like Zoom, if you are using Zoom, you cannot using Zoom for if you need Skype. No, you cannot use Zoom if you need Skype or vice versa. No, but TalkFusion you can use it everything here. No, and how about the price of TalkFusion? Let me compare with the Google Drive. To save the data, you need 3,000 plus 342 US dollar. No, it is quite for 1 year, and the next year you have to pay another 3,000 US dollar. No, and about Zoom with the facilities that we are having now, 15 hosts and 500 participants, you have to pay 1 year around 21,000 US dollar. It is expensive, no? It is expensive, 21,000 and 1 year. The next year you have to pay another one. How about TalkFusion? You have only pay one time, just only 1 year, for 4 years until we die. We just only pay 2,039 US dollar. But here in the Philippines, I just promote with the TalkFusion with only 519 US dollar is equal with 27,000 pesos. But you can use it forever and ever. Next year, you don't need to buy 227,000 pesos. It is for TalkFusion. And you can use six product. No, you can use like Zoom, you can use like Skycap, you can use like to drive Google Drive to save your data, and TalkFusion unlimited data. No, and it is the opportunity. But most of all, it is only the product. But most of all about the bonus that you can get from TalkFusion, because since you join to the TalkFusion, you will get what I call bonus. No, when you buy and you can report only 2%, you can get bonus. It is what the idea of the owner of TalkFusion, the founder of TalkFusion, what they call Bob Reyna. Bob Reyna, the CEO of the, because Bob Reyna want to share with others. No, he is rich like the owner of of Skype, the owner of media like Facebook, the owner of media like Zoom. But Paprinya want to share with others since you are or you take the opportunity to take for TalkFusion, you will get bonus if you refer to 2% only, no? And the 2% will look for another 2%, and you will enjoy. How what important is that when you buy the TalkFusion with the price of 27,000, you can get visa immediately. No, when you get 2% under your leg, because it is like network. No, you will get 25 US dollar in the left side as a bonus, 25 US dollar in the right side of your bonus, and also because of the mix you can get, and you will be paid this one through your visa, the how do you call it, the second largest payment here on the world, like BDO, they are using visa because related with the money, no, but not many banking using visa for the ATM ba. But TalkFusion, you will be given TalkFusion visa of TalkFusion because you already pay for 27,000. It is for your bonus when you get 2% in referral, no. And then let me thinking about ganina talking about product. No, I'm thinking about bonus because it is very related with us because you know find difficult to get 1 piso even, no? But with TalkFusion, you will be helped because to have the bonus. first of all, the first bonus that when you refer to 2%, for example here, you refer to A, you will get 20. Oh, it is because it is 2,000. You pay 2,000 US dollar. You will get 150 US dollar. And to B, to the right side, the left side, you get 150 US dollar. Only 3 minutes you will be paid in your visa debit of Talk Fusion. No, and the two will give also another if they ripple to two, and you also as a source here, you will get also still the bonus because of this. What we call here is fast bonus. When you get 2%, you will immediately, not even 3 minutes, you will get bonus. No, 150 US dollar, 150 US brand, the left side, the right side, and the cycle. I'm talking about the second bonus. That is what we call the team commission, the cycle. When you have these people right and left, and you right and left already growing to the other, no, that you just only look for two, not 10, two immediately, because the two will grow to another two. Two in the left side will go to another two. And from the left side and the right side, five couples, you will get what we call another bonus, 120 US dollar. If you pay for 27,000, you can get 20 US dollar. It is quite enough. No, it is quite enough. What we call, and the other bonus is what we call every month you will get 5 US dollar as what we call residual income of you, because you have already couples, no, 2% and 2% already growing. It is the second bonus, and the last bonus, it is what I call mega matching. It is about the bonus, not the product. Why mega matching? Because you are here and your down line, for example, Mr. Gaspar, no, Gaspar work very hard. They get from sayang effort, Mr. Gaspar, one 12,000 US dollar, because there are so many line online downline of him. You, because you are upline of Mr. Gaspar, you will get 10%. 10% of the Mr. Gaspar, how do you call it, income. But it is coming, not coming from Mr. Gaspar, but it coming from Talk Fusion. Give you the reward mega matching 10% of your download. So another income. How much is that? 125. Kanina 125, 300, and then the cycle 120. It is already 420 US dollar plus 10%. How much is that? A big money you will get from bonus. Just only static with one time you pay, forever and ever you can get this one. That is the opportunity that I'm talking of you, because I believe that if you can get this one, you will get many bonuses. As I mentioned here, if you 1 week you can get 2%, and this 2% already spread out because we are working as a team. You will get for 12 weeks, you will get 480,000 US dollar. If 1 week you can get take 2%, 1 week you just only get one. For example, 1 month you get two, no problem. You will get still 480,000 US dollar. 1 year you can get only 2%, no problem, because this 2%, as part of, as a team of you, you will improve. For the 1 year, you will get 480,000 US dollar. It is amazing. It is about the bonus, no? So I would it is what I want to share with you among us, among us of our in the Philippines here, because I want everybody here to be a hero for your family, because you can use your product of Talk Fusion and you can get also the bonus. You will be the hero of your family. But how to do it? There are 4 steps that you may do it after you join to the Talk Fusion. The first step is just to invite. to invite or to send this link to your friend, the link that I'm making now, no? And after you invite, looking for the presentation of me, I will be presented every day. On the international level, I will have the presentation also 11 o'clock in the evening. No, you can you can let your friend, your family to join to the presentation. Wala bayad. We do not pay for this. No, just only like webinar. The second step, you have to have a presentation, even do online or on offline or online like what I'm doing now online. But if you cannot do it presentation, I will be the one to present. You just only invite. But personally, you can present to everybody. I have already left this book. I will give you the copies, and then you can explain what I'm telling you now. It is what we call presentation. And the third step you have to do with follow up, what we call three-way call. Follow up from me as upline, and you are as downline, and to other people to follow up. What do you like with the link that I sent to you? So now let us join it. No, you have to make the people join under you because we are the one to invite. No, and the fourth is to learn the system together with me, together with us, because we are becoming Muslim. What we call because we are working as a team. Plug in the plugging system. You have to make a system, no? So it is four step. We cannot avoid this four step that we are going to do, no? And the last but not least is about our Talk Fusion is a global business. It is not. It is not. No, or a small business, a global business. It is not what we call local business. All over the world, even you can have this business to your friend in Hong Kong, to your friend in Saudi Arabia, in United States, your family, because with this you will growing. Just only look to for them, and then this two-person will your friend will spread out, and the two-person will go to another two, and you are blessed because you are working here in the Philippines, and you can get bonus for your friends. So it is what we call global business, and time is everything for us. But the important thing, don't be doubting because Tokusan is protected by what we call DSA. Unsa man DSA? What is DSA? DSA is a Direct Selling Association. What does it mean? Direct association to protect you, your business, because you are not. If you join the Tokusan, you are not money games like what the people might say. Oh, you are working in the network. It is money game. No, Tokusan cannot be money game because you will not be protected by the International Direct Selling Association. Tokusan is the only company here in the world in the media well accepted by the SA. So safe, no safe. It is about the technology, no, and also Tokusan is using also McAfee to save your data. Sometimes your data, if you are using to another media, will be how do you call it? Will be robbed by robbers, no? No, cannot be because we are protected by McAfee. Imagine that Pentagon, the data will be protected by McAfee. And the last but not least, it is the comparison uh, among the competitor talk version with using what we call WebRTC. Very, very, very modern technology. What I mean with WebRTC, our mouth and the sound will be no delay. No delay. Because it is very clear. It is what we call WebRTC. It depends on the internet, of course. But never delay. Because of these three things, I assure you, you will be safe. You will earn money. And you will enjoy the technology through TalkFusion. So, once again, I give the opportunity to you. I do not sell the Talkfusion, but I only give the opportunity Talkfusion because I want all of you becoming a hero of your family. Because with the Talkfusion, you will be free on three things: free from your financial the problems about money. The second thing that you can use the very high technology, and the third thing, you can free what your time. You can work every time, whether in the morning, whether in the afternoon, with talking about Talkfusion, promoting about Talkfusion, invite to confirm the Talkfusion, and you will get bonus of this. Only because of this, you will have no problem about this opportunity. Money, technology, and free time of working. You are not scheduled. You are the one to have the schedule anytime, any minute, like me. No, whether when I went to the station, when to relate the people, I always promoting, not promoting in the negative way, but I take the opportunity of the people. The people will make accept me or reject me, no problem. I give the opportunity for them to grow. It is the purpose because I want everybody to be a hero. Like myself, I want to be a hero for the people surround me, like in Lusaran. Okay, thank you. I will end with this, with the hope that you will join with me. But please, if you join with the Talkfusion presentation, you just keep the link that I sent to you and just share it to your friend to see, to watch my presentation, and also to join with me with the Talkfusion, and we become team among us. Once again, thank you very much for your attention. I am Father Larry. Bye-bye.